Good night, you guys. Sweet dreams. Puff, take care of the babies. Yes, I know you'll protect the babies. That's why I'm leaving you here with them.
Can't we go anywhere without you trying to sell snacks?
What pays the bills?
Not the snacks.
Which is why I should be passing them out. Something smells good up in here.
Looks like squab.
Squab? What's squab?
Pigeon. Oh.
What's wrong? Reading your cousin? You know what will go good with this? Some cold duck.
Oscar, I wouldn't tease the birds. I don't think they like it.
What do I look like? A putty cat? I'm not scared of some birds. Here's one for the homies. Ouch! Oh, y'all want to play rough?
Oh, Oscar, please, don't provoke them.
No, I got something for them. Hot sauce.
Oscar, will you please sit down?
Did you see that? Chicken!
Omar.
It's Omar.
Myron?
You and me, pal! You and me!
Mom, there's a dog on the wing.
Sure there is, honey.
I was watching that.
Mama, I need to tell you something about Puff. There he is. Houston, we have a problem.